The arteries here we can see this one is the facial artery. Facial artery gives three branch: inferior labial, superior labial, and also it's continued as angular artery. Angular artery gives one branch. This one is the lateral nasal artery, and also it's joined with the anastomosis with the ophthalmic, but it's not shown here. Also here near the ear we can see this one. This one is the superficial temporal artery. Superficial temporal artery gives two branch. First branch gives parietal branch and one also frontal branch. So this is the parietal branch and this one is the frontal branch from the superficial temporal artery. Here we can see also this one is the posterior auricular artery. Posterior auricular artery. From behind from posterior we can see this one is the occipital artery. Occipital artery doesn't have greater or lesser, it's just occipital artery. These are occipital artery. And what else? Here we can see this one, transverse facial artery and also vein. From veins here also we can see this one is the retromandibular vein. The retromandibular vein this one is the retromandibular vein. Also have two branch, anterior retromandibular branch and posterior. This is the posterior. The posterior will join with the posterior auricular. This is the posterior auricular vein. So posterior division of the retromandibular join also with the posterior auricular and also continuate as external jugular vein. This is external jugular vein. Here we can see this one is the internal jugular vein, and here we can see also this one is the anterior jugular vein, and also here we can see that it's same name with the arteries, occipital vein, and what else? Here we can see this one is the facial vein, give also two branch like this one, inferior labial and superior labial veins, and also this one is the angular, lateral nasal, and also anastomosis with the ophthalmic vein, and gives also here branch supratrochlear and supraorbital veins.